The Creality Ender 3 is arguably the most popular 3D printer there has ever been made. But why is that? We're here to discuss why the Creality Ender 3 is so popular, what makes it so special, and is it the printer for you? The build volume of the Creality Ender 3 is 220 by 220 by 250 millimeters. There is a few versions of the Creality Ender 3. There is an Ender 3 Max, which is a little bit of a bigger bed size, an Ender 3 V2, and now there is an Ender 3 S1. Now, fundamentally, all of these machines are exactly the same. There's only been a few upgrades like nicer screens, better beds, or silent stepper drives. There's really not been much else changed between these models. So if you have the most recent Creality Ender 3 or the very first one, it's still fundamentally exactly the same. Now, a lot of people think that this machine is not very good because it comes in at a price that is unbelievable. At our website right now, this guy is 4,000 Rand. Now, a lot of people think because of this that it is a very limited machine or it is a beginner's machine and you will have to get a new machine later on because it has limitations. This is not the truth. Now, the only limitation of this machine is the bed size. However, I have been able to successfully on this exact machine print an entire helmet for myself for a costume. The Creality Ender 3 is the biggest bang for its buck. PETG, ABS, PLA, TPU, all those types of materials are printable on this machine over here. Now, it is not a beginner's machine, although it is a perfect machine for beginners. This is one of the most easiest machines that you could ever build, set up, and start printing and maintain by yourself at home. There are thousands of videos on YouTube about this exact machine over here. There is many forums, there is many places with information about this machine. Creality is one of the most popular brands in the 3D printing community, in the 3D printing industry, and it is one of the most reliable machines that you can get. Now, the V2, the Max, and the S1 obviously do go up in price because they are better versions or more newer versions. This is the predecessor, the normal Creality Ender 3. It started with the Ender 3, went to an Ender 3 Pro with a flexible bed, went to the version 2, went now to the S1. Another key feature about this 3D printer that a lot of 3D printers actually don't have is a heated bed. This is why you can do such variety of filaments on this machine over here. You can do one really big upgrade to this guy and make it a direct drive, which gets rid of this PTFE tube and lets the filament go directly into the hot end, and your machine is even better for printing things like flexible filaments or TPU. This machine is one of the most customizable machines, and it is the cleanest machine that you can get at this price point. Me personally, at the shop, when a customer comes in and asks, I don't know what machine to get, I always recommend one of two machines. And that is a Creality Ender 3 or a Creality CR10 Smart. Those two are my absolute favorite machines because in my opinion, they are severely underpriced for what you get. Now remember guys, because this is only 4,000 Rand right now, does not mean it's a bad machine. You can buy this as your first machine. You will be very happy. It will hold you a long time. The nice thing about it is they are so cheap that you can end up along the line getting another one. Maybe a V2, maybe an S1. It does not matter. Remember, the only limitation you have is the bed size. But like I said, I was able to successfully print an entire helmet for myself. I did print it in 3 pieces and glue it together, but it did successfully print on this machine with absolute no difficulties. That's all for this week's part of the week. If you guys want to see last week's, you guys can click over here. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. It really helps out. Leave a comment below, leave a like. I really appreciate that, you guys. You can find us on our social medias over here. You guys can message us on those social medias as well. I'm always there. I'm always responding to you guys. Leave a comment, direct message us. That is the easiest way that you guys can contact us. You can also give us a WhatsApp or give us a call, or visit our website at www.3dprintingstore.co.za. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you next week.